Hello there, this is Kizar from the customer success team at Spur. Today we are diving into the new AI features on Spur to help you automate support, engage your customers instantly, and to streamline your workflows. So let's explore how you can get that done by setting up your own AI agent right within Spur. So to use the AI features within Spur, you will first have to upgrade to an AI plan. Let me show you how they look. So the three plans that we currently have are called AI Start, AI Accelerate, and AI Max. Each of these come with a different amount of credits, and the credits are what you will be using to send messages using the AI to your customers who contact you, whether it be through your WhatsApp or through your website. So let me show you how that works. To begin, head over to the AI tab, which you can find here, and you will have to create an AI agent. So you will have to give it a name that makes sense for its purpose. Maybe something like website helper or WhatsApp sales. I'm going to name this one Spur Expert, and I'll create the agent. After the agent is created, you'll see the main control panel with four key tabs over here: data sources, actions, channels, and settings. Now, data sources, this is where we feed the AI knowledge. Under data sources, you have several options. You can add your website URL over here and just paste it. So we'll just add ours. And after that, you can have it crawl the website. Spur AI will scan your site to learn about your products, your policies, FAQs, and more. Everything there is to learn about your business that is on your website, any knowledge that will be what the AI will be trained on. So this usually takes a few minutes, and you can close this window while it finishes, and it will continue in the background. Once training is complete and your bot is trained, you can refresh the page, and it will show you the suggested questions that it has come up with after analyzing the content within your website to show you the questions that could possibly be asked to you regarding your business. And these will appear over here. Now, you can also upload files in this file section. Files such as PDFs containing internal guides or detailed product specs, those can be added here. Now, there is this tab to add text. The text option allows you to paste information directly. For example, if there's some information that you'd like to just quickly add to the AI agent's memory, you can simply paste it here. For example, let's say you're a brand that specializes in architectural design and interiors. You could add, we offer customized home decor solutions for 12,000 rupees. After adding this, you could ask the AI, hey, do you do custom home decor plan? And you'll see that it will tell the person, yes, we do offer customized home decor solutions for 12,000 rupees. So whatever content you want the customer to be given, whatever knowledge you want to add, you can add it under the text data source. Lastly, Q&A allows you to input specific question and answer pairs. So these would be for common queries. The more relevant data you provide, the smarter your agent becomes. So for example, let's say you're a clothing business and you're getting a lot of queries about what kind of fabric do you use in the clothing that you make. So you could have that as a question and answer pair. So that would be something like, what fabric do you use for X product? And you could have the answer like, linen is what we use. Now, once that question is registered, you can ask it as well. What is product X's fabric? And it will answer the question, linen is what we use. So it's added there, and each time any customer asks this, linen will always be the answer that will go to them. So now that we've covered the data sources, you want to make your AI agent live, right? But before you do that, you need to test it. So this chat window on the right is your AI playground. It is a safe sandbox for testing. And after adding your data sources, you can ask questions here just as a customer would. And you can see how it responds. So is it accurate? Is the tone right? You can keep testing and refining the data sources and the prompts in the settings tab until you're happy with its performance, which I will be telling you about in a short while. For example, we added our website here. Let's say I asked the AI agent about our compliance with GDPR regulations. I will ask, are you guys compliant with GDPR? And it will tell us that yes, we are GDPR compliant and we take GDPR compliance seriously. All our servers and databases are located in this part of Germany. So this information is directly being fetched from a directory within Spur's website, and I will show you where it is. The information that the bot just gave us, it is coming from here. So everything that you're seeing in this answer, that's been taken directly from information that is on the Spur website. So it won't make things up. It will only tell you about the data and knowledge it possesses. Now, next, let's look at actions. The actions currently available are called open ticket and collect leads. The open ticket action, this enables your AI agent to open a ticket in the shared inbox here. So anytime a query comes in and the chat is being dealt with by an agent, it can also be seen in the shared inbox. Similarly, when the AI agent is dealing with the client, it can also be seen over there. So let's say someone is contacting you. This will allow the AI to create a ticket and hand the conversation over to a human agent if a customer that's contacting you requests it. And there's another AI section called collect leads. This enables your AI agent to take leads and collect them. So you tell the AI exactly when to collect leads. For example, we have this by default. As soon as the conversation starts, collect the lead information. Because these people talking to your AI on the website, these will be anonymous visitors. So you enable this, and then the AI can ask anonymous visitors for their name and phone number right at the start of the chat. So this will capture valuable leads for you without you having to do anything else. And once you're done, you can hit save. Now, let's connect your agent to where your customers are. So we go into channel, the channel tab, and under channels, you can deploy your AI. So you can connect it to website and live chat like we already have it connected. And you can also have it connected to your WhatsApp numbers, which we already have it connected for. But you can see that Instagram, we do not have it connected to. So you will see this connect. You will also see that over here and over here, if your agent is not connected to these channels. So the website and live chat channel, that if handed over to the AI, will be answering questions on your website in the live chat widget, and people will be talking to the AI to get help. Similarly, WhatsApp is the same thing. People will be talking to you over on WhatsApp. AI will be handling those chats. And on Instagram, you can also connect it to handle your DMs automatically. For example, if someone asks about collaborations, the AI will ask them what the phone number is, what their email is, what their name is. You can use that data to contact people later who are interested in collaborations. So this is just one of the examples of what the AI can do in the context of Instagram, WhatsApp, and live chat. Now, next step is settings. The settings tab is where you customize the AI's personality and its rules, its operational rules. So you can edit AI agent name here the same way that we did at the start. Also found here is the system prompt. This defines the AI's role, its persona, and its constraints. So constraints are rules that the AI has to follow no matter what. These include guardrails like stick to the training data, not divulging its data sources, not hallucinating, maintaining focus, and relying on only the training data and nothing else, and restraining itself to the focus of the role that you have defined for it. So there are default templates like customer support agent, sales representative, and a general purpose AI agent. You can also use and enter your own custom prompt and define your own instructions as well. So below that is the AI model selection option. So different models offer different performance and credit costs. For example, Gemini 2.5 Pro, it costs 3 credits per request. Gemini 2.0 Flash, that costs 1 credit per request. There's even more expensive models to have, such as OpenAI's GPT-4o, which will be 10 credits per request. So one customer question is sent to you and a response is sent for that. That counts as a request. So depending on the model you choose, it deducts the relevant credits. So after that, we have AI rate limiting. This thing here, it prevents the bot from using too many credits in one long chat. So you can set something like 20 messages per 5 minutes. And if that's exceeded, it sends this message that you have reached the maximum number of messages. Please try again later. And it opens a human ticket. So you can also check over here how AI rate limiting works. And after you're done, be sure to save changes that you make. Next up are the live chat widget settings. So while the AI powers the conversation, you can still configure the widget's look and feel under the main settings. And then you go to live chat. That's where you can set it up. So you can create a channel here and give it a name and a website to connect it with. So after you created the channel, under chat interface, you will be able to see the color for the chat widget here. So it will change depending on what color you want to go with. Down there, we also have the option to select a website name, the display name for the AI agent over live chat, a logo image that you can also select, a message placeholder where it would say something like type your message to encourage some interaction from the customer. You can also have a welcome message that would be, hi, how can I help you today? Something like that. After that, you can also have the WhatsApp and Instagram social links there so that people can click on those and be taken to your WhatsApp or your Instagram. You can enable it this way and enter the username here, and it will take you to the username of your choice. That would most likely be your business page on Instagram. After that, there's also quick questions where you can add your questions. For example, the most common queries, you can add them over here. And those queries, when tapped on, the AI agent will be able to respond to. After that, there's Embed tab, where you can copy the code snippet we have over here and paste it into your website's HTML before the closing body tag. So it will look something like this. This is directly taken from over here, and you have to place it just before the closing body tag. So you might need a developer to do this, but for Shopify users, we are creating a way for this to be embedded without having to need a developer. So we will be working on that and releasing that very shortly. After that, you can test the integrations. Now, under settings, there's also allowed domains. So you can leave it empty to allow all domains or enter specific ones. After you're done, make sure to save all the changes. And if needed, you can also delete the channel at the very bottom. But be aware that this action cannot be undone. So only do this when you absolutely mean to do it. Finally, let's discuss AI credits. So credits, these can be thought of as the fuel for your AI agent. So you go to settings and then AI credits, and you view your current usage. So monthly credits, they reset with each billing cycle. Unused credits, they don't roll over. So if you have, for example, 2,000 credits in the AI start plan and you've used only 1,800 of those, the 200 that you are left with at the time of the billing cycle, when it comes along, it will reset back to 2,000. So the 200 that you had unused, they will stay unused and they will just reset. And if you run out of monthly credits, you can buy paid credits. So these never expire and they kick in automatically after you run out of monthly credits. So for example, if let's say you're getting more queries than you expected over on live chat or WhatsApp and you ran out of monthly credits, you can go here, get more credits and purchase them. After that is done, these credits will be used. You can also see your transaction history below and the credits added, the credits used. So the used ones will be showing you how many credits have been deducted for which conversation on which date and time. So it will tell you AI credits used -2. Minus means a debit of the credits, so how much got deducted from your credit balance. And credits added will show you how many credits you purchased if you purchase them from paid credits. So you can track every transaction with the amount, the date, and the session information. And that's a walkthrough of Spur's powerful new AI features, from training your agent to deploying it across channels and customizing it to your business needs. You can now create intelligent and automated customer experiences that you might be used to seeing on other websites. You can have it here now on your own website as well. So you can start building your AI agent today, test it in the playground. Even without a plan, you can explore how it works. And if you're impressed, you can choose the AI plan that suits your needs the best. And make sure to reach out to our support team if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.